Hello everybody, today we're going to do the USACO 2024 December contest bronze. We're going to do problem 1, roundabout rounding. So, what this problem basically says is that, you have numbers, right? And there's two types of rounding. For example, we have the number 48. There's normal rounding. Let's say you round to the nearest hundred. Normal rounding, let's say 0. But LC creates chain rounding. What chain rounding is that 48, you first round to the nearest 10, which is 50, and then you round to the nearest 100, which is 100. So, what we want to know is that with this given n, you want to find the number of integers smaller than or equal to n that have different results when you chain round and you normal round. So, for example, 48 is an example because when you normal round it becomes 0, but when you chain round it becomes 100. So if we just test a few cases, we can find out that 45, 46, 47, 48, and 49 all work. And then when you go into the hundreds, it becomes 445 into 499. And you keep going, and you get these numbers where the first one is 4s all the way to 5. 4s continuously until you get the last digit, which is 5. Second one is 4 for the first digit, and the rest are 9s. So what we want to do is have 1 to n, and you find overlap with the regions. So let's begin coding. First, let's create our overlap function, which is int intersect int x, int y, int a, and int b. So to find the overlap, we just find int upper bound equal to the minimum of x and a. This is int low, and int high is equal to the this is maximum is min y e, and you just return the maximum of 0, high minus low plus 1. So int main, this is our overlap function. So int t, cin t, and t minus int n, cin n. So here we're gonna find the region. So chain low is equal to 5. So each time we're just gonna add 40, and we're gonna add 400 and then 4,000. 5 chain high is equal to 1, and answer is equal to 0, exponent is equal to 1. So while exponent is smaller than 1, let's just put 3 9 zeros, so 8. Exponent multiplied by 10. And chain low is equal to, you add 4 times exponent, and chain high is equal to 5 times exponent minus 1. So for example, you hear this is 5,000 minus 1, and this is 445 plus 4,000. So that's where we get those equations. And then ant plus equals intersect chain low, chain high, 1 and n. And then when in the end you see ants. Let's try to run this. you can see that it works, all the test cases. So like to make sure that this works, let's just file, download, a new folder. I'll just download it. Save. Oh god, go to my downloads. USACO, is it not here? What? To log in? Oh, you can see that it works, so